Ay, lipstick. Oh, nice.
Centella from Madagascar.
Ampoule foam ampoule. Made from pure centinela from Madagascar. Next one. Ayan, okay.
Na perfume.
Sana perfume. Pero I doubt. Ang gaan niya. Laki ng box, pero ang gaan. Kinukuha ko. Ito. Soothing repair mask. Repair mask. Ayan. Kala ko perfume. I was expecting perfume, bro. Okay. This one. Ano yan? Relief Sun. Rice and Probiotics. Ano to? Is this parang sunscreen? Not bad. Eto, guys. Uy, what is this? So this is what I got. Ano to? Hindi ko na alam, pero. Ayan. Anyway, it's your turn, Besh. Gosh! Okay. Ano yan?
Sorry din. Lip essence.
Lip essence siya. 11 mils. This one. So what is this? Daydream liquid eyeshadow. Nice. Last one. Oh! Meron kaming keychain. Ay. Yan, keychain. Okay. Wala tayong nakuha pabango, but it's okay.